and hearty welcome to the Asian Business School Lead Lecture Series 2024 Season 9.
Keep your mind and everything open and enjoy to the max in terms of learning, because sky is the limit in terms of learning.
So first and most important thing is whatever specialization you pick up, right, it is very important to be very attentive in your classes.
We have the profound presence of our expert speaker, Mr Debojit Sen, founder of Cracked, a tedX speaker, podcaster, AVP and business head of Car Dekho Group.
I've been in sales for a long time in my career. Are you able to listen to the customers? Are you able to identify the need? Do you have the right body language for being in sales?
This is more of a training, college wherein you get trained to face challenges when it comes to corporate. Corporate is not going to be easy and it won't be parenting you.
Sundar Pichai, for example, has studied in my city, IIT Kharagpur, and I remember the days my dad had some role in IIT Kharagpur services. I remember the day when he was a student. If you would have seen him at that time, he was again someone who would not be very comfortable speaking in English. Extremely intelligent, very high IQ, but not someone very good in English. And I'm talking about Mr. Sundar Pichai.